Hello and welcome back to TopBuild Carpentry's YouTube. So today we are off to fit this media wall. Now with this we've made it all up as we always do prior in the workshop. So we've been out to the job, we've done a full survey, took tight measurements and discussed every angle of this design with the customer. And then we've come back and we've used a mix of xylocleaf boards to create this with solid brass inlays which are rebaited inside the two uprights and across there. We've rebaited some strip lighting across the back in all the open sections. So basically our plan of action now, we're going to dismantle, wrap it all up, we're going to load the van, head up to the customers, and yeah, we'll come back and show you some footage. So we're midpoint on the media wall build now. So all the brass inlays are done on the doors. The brass inlays running vertical are all in. So we're now doing some push to open secret doors up across the top. All the shelves here we've bonded, we've made them 36mm thick to give them a nice thick feel. I've cut all the lighting grooves in the back. Lighting will be connected up next. So we'll come back and we'll show you as we progress further. And that's a wrap, media wall complete. So all gone to plan. We're really happy with how this has come out. So all lighting is connected on a remote, which is also dimmable. We've got push to open, soft closing doors throughout. We've got push to open plug sockets on the top with USB ports, and we've gone for those on both sides. Brass inlays throughout, using two different styles of xylocleaf boards, edge banded to match. Do come back, do subscribe. If you want to see more of our work, head over to Instagram, TopBuild Carpentry. See you soon.